Welcome back again to Adobe After Effects 2022 features. Right now I would like to show you the other parts of the distortion effects on the effects and presets tab right here. Okay, now I have imported one video and let's try the smear. Drop this effect on the video and let's see what it does. Then in the effects control, you can see if we adjust the reach part over here, it reacts to how much or how far the smudge will be. This effect is kind of like a smudge effect in Photoshop or Adobe Photoshop. Then the radius, if we adjust the radius here, it adjusts and set how much the smear or smudge radius will be. We can also move the 2 points by adjusting this dot, and also we can adjust the from point, which is this one, by stretching and dragging along this point that is initially in the center of the video. Okay, that's this much for the Adobe After Effects. Press delete. And the split, let's try the split. If we increase the split, it will create such thing like mouth. Open, close, open, close. Point A and point B is like how far the split will be. By dragging these 2 dots over here, we can adjust the point A and B and adjust how big the mouth is or how big the mouth will be. Delete on the effects control, and let's move to the split too. Same like the split before. However, we can have the other split, which is downwards and upwards. While the previous split, we only can adjust the split on both sides. While in this split too, we can adjust how far is the split downwards and how far is the split upwards. Split 2 for the upwards, split 1 for the split downwards. Something like this. And the tiler. We can scale the video and make it multiplied like this. If we increase the blend with original, then this multiplied video will have more transparency to the original video. And then corner pin. Let's see what it does. So it is kind of look like a perspective transform in the Adobe Photoshop. This corner pin is the transformation in the Adobe After Effects. Something like this. We can move these 4 points, upper left, upper right, or lower left, and lower right. And then liquify. We can choose what particle and what shape of our liquefying method. And twirl tool option to adjust the radius of the brush and the pressure as well. Increase the pressure, or you can decrease the pressure. Something like this. You can squeeze it, or you can twirl it, or you can smudge it like this. You can view mesh by clicking on this checkbox right here. Mesh size, you can adjust it to large, medium, or small boxes like this. So you can see clearly about the liquefying methods. Each of the liquefying methods have their own style. You can see here. You can also modify the strength or pressure with the distortion percentage in here. Okay. And that's all for today's video.